Jerry Berry.
Okay, today we're here with Jerry Berry, bro. We gonna be opening the Halloween packages, bro. Ooh,
Spooky.
oh, mama, spooky. Okay.
Spooky.
Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's a lot.
That's like 19. We got 2 cases. Ooh, ooh. We got this bad boy. Ooh, which one sounds the coolest, Jerry Berry?
What? What's going
I
on?
want to get like, I don't know. I don't know.
Balls.
I actually don't know what's good. I think this is good. I think these are the best ones.
Yeah.
Jerry Berry. Okay, let's start. Ball. I hope this is recording. Okay. Ball.
Just have to check.
Here we go.
No, it takes forever. Oh, no way.
Look what level it is, bro. That's gotta be.
No.
That's gotta be the luckiest thing ever.
69. How funny.
That is the funniest thing in your life.
Funny number.
Woo. I thought that was an all year round hat. It's Halloween, I guess. Come on, Jerry Berry. Haunted.
No.
Oh, this is actually good.
The bone hat.
You can wear this all year round.
Yeah,
bro.
bone cone. Connor bone. Cone bone.
That's how bone cone.
Cone bone.
Oh my god. It's not even Halloween restricted, bro. I can wear this anytime.
No.
That's crazy. Who texted me, bro?
Oh, yo, mama.
In the middle. Your mama texted me. Okay. Who texted? Oh.
Oh, it was actually your mama.
Mom would be like, mom stuff, I don't know. Born.
Oh, next crate. Who opened the
Next
one?
Halloween thing. Haunted.
What's this?
Oh my god.
Oh, give me, bro.
That's nice.
Oh,
Boy.
is it gonna get 2 views?
I can't wait for this to get
Gonna be
3 views and it's just all me rewatching it. My mom, my brother, my grandma's gonna watch it and that's the 3 views.
They're gonna hear me say, "Give me, bro."
Look, it's a monkey.
It looks like you.
Animal,
Yeah,
no. Why? Why does it look like me?
Because you got a big nose.
Oh my god! That's a cat. He's lying, guys. Don't believe me.
Oh yeah, I was just.
What do you gotta say to the banana army about that?
I was just cat. The banana army. The banana army.
Haunted! No!
Oh, your mom's gonna text you.
Oh, they stop screaming, dummies. What's she looking at?
I don't know.
Bored.
Just open the next crate.
You open the next crate.
Okay.
I mean, I just got the same hat twice within like 3 crates.
Oh, God.
You wanna open it? Click it. If it's haunted and it's blue, that means it's good. Let's see, Jerry. Or if it's an animal head. Oh my god. I think that's good.
Can I plug my OnlyFans into it?
No, you cannot plug your OnlyFans into this, Jerry. Ball. Okay.
Cone bone.
Oh. Yes, bro! That means it's good, and that's actually a good, I think this is worth it.
No, that's that one hot dog mess that Owen brought. That one hot dog competition. Hot dog.
Let's go. I actually got a haunted, bro.
Oh,
Just go hard, bro. Oh, look at this load I got. Look at this load I had, Jerry. Oh my god, this is even better, bro. Look at this load out, bro. You don't even have a head, bro. But you got the eyes.
Yeah, looks like you.
I'm definitely wearing this now. This is definitely my loadout for Halloween, bro.
For Halloween. That's very spooky.
Spooky moment. Dang, I'm actually so hyped I got that. Let's go.
I know, Connor. Hype.
Here goes, bro. Here goes. Another one! Back to back! Oh, guano! That'd be a bad. That's like COVID reference or something.
COVID. Funny because bad.
Funny because the guy ate the bat. Look. Oh, Mr. Juice! What the?
Juice? What? Juice?
What? Repeat that again?
Juice?
Nah, I'm pretty sure this is actually good. This is like with the key if it's like
No, cone bone.
Let me see what they look
Oh,
like.
Sky the brick is from the pain.
Oh, look what it looks like, bro. Zucchini, what a...
Zucchini?
This is it's serving, bro.
Zucchini.
I love this.
Weenie.
Zucchini, weenie, babini.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. We're 9 deep, bro.
9.
Yep, now we're 10. Here we go.
Can't back out. Man.
Oh my god, that's actually so good, bro. Oh, okay, bro. Oh my lord, bro. I did not think you'd actually get something good. That's a haunted bird head, bro. That's gotta be worth like
Damn, what makes it so haunted?
I don't know, like
they
just be ghosts coming.
Big nose like you.
What? You got that beat though, like me. Damn. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay.
Funny, cause bird nose.
Oh my god. Okay, bro.
Connor, I'm playing this game.
Boy. Okay. Pretty fire. Let's go. This is already good. I need that haunted chicken Kiev, bro.
Oh.
Ball. Okay, here we go.
Balls in the jaw.
Okay, bro.
Now you're just getting doo-doo.
None's a game for doo-doo. Only real ones understand the pain.
I like poo-poo doo-doo.
Okay, dude. Okay, it really did.
It was a joke.
Really did. Really did.
No, it was.
Next one.
I'm gonna kill me.
Oh my god! I got like 3, bruh.
More like the balls in the jaw. Like
What?
the 30th time I said it.
That's pretty good. Let's see. Oh my god. Looks like you got a little wig with it. Oh my god. Hold up. Alright, next one, bro. We got 3 haunteds, bro.
No.
Let's go, J-Bird. J-Bird, give me the look.
Cone bone.
Combo. Oh my,
it's
literally
pants.
just some pants, bro.
Oh, this dude wants to trade request me. Oh my ball. I'm just giving my shit.
I got some pantalones.
He better ready up. Look. If he. Listen.
Alright. Oh, let's go!
Look what he's giving me.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He just set me for life.
Oh my god. No, you're like set for life now. Wait, you're actually set for life now. That's more than I have, bro.
Like one dude can just change your life.
That literally is better than the stuff I have, bro. What the fuck?
I'm like level 2 with like the best.
Nah, like actually that's like better than the stuff that I have, bro.
Oh yeah.
Jesus. Okay, Jay just got to really Jay to people on Roblox, bro.
Yeah. Roblox. Fun.
Oh my god, it's gonna win. It's actually really good.
Cone bone.
Let's see.
I do love me some cone bone.
Oh, I already have this as a haunted, so don't care. Ball. Okay, here we go. The last 3, the Tres Amigos, bro.
No.
Only Jared gets that reference.
Haha,
That's
funny.
a Jared reference.
Tres amigos. Haha.
Tres Amigos.
Funny because
Oh my god,
poo-poo da.
Bad.
Balls in the jaw.
I mean, I'm already balling because of this thing. This is the best.
Oh my gosh. Oh my balls. Oh!
Jake's going off on Roblox. Alright, second last one. Oh my god, and it's 69 and it's haunted.
Oh, funny because balls.
Oh my god. That's actually kind of cool. I didn't think I'd get another haunted. That's the second last
You got doo-doo, bro.
No, look!
Yeah,
Haunted, bro.
Haunted. Oh,
Jesus Christ.
Good cause haunted.
I'm gonna get like a haunted chrome door. I already have 2 of those.
Connor, you get haunted now.
Oh.
I have like more money than I know what to do.
This is like some scary. Ooh, spooky.
No balls.
Yes, Jared.
I'm gonna beat the game in like 2 seconds just because this dude gave me like the best thing.
That was the.
We started from the bottom and now we're
Shut up, bro! Look, J Bear. Look at all this. This is the best thing, and this is the best.
Subscribe.
Oh, and it was almost 69. That was 2 off.
No, balls.
Oh well, I think these are the only 2 off, like year-round things I got. I think.
Alright.
Okay, now it's for the big boys, bro.
Ain't no way.
Ah, nah, bro.
You won't.
Okay. Oh, which one's the one, bro?
All of them. the 8th one down.
What? Okay, 8th one down.
Maybe the 10th
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, I meant the 8th one down from
What?
I don't know. Just do that one.
This one? Let's see, J Bear.
Kind of thick.
Let's get that Halloween Pumpkin Moon all class.
Pumpkin
Wait,
Moon?
what's in this?
It's no way.
I want to get like. That would be amazing if I got that All Hallows 8 or whatever.
Ain't no way.
Oh, I'm gonna try to get that unusual. What's it called?
This dude's name is Dexter.
I want the unusual Hollow Hound, bro.
Not the Hollow Hound.
Oh wait, okay, well.
Not too late.
Oh.
Your mom.
No, this is like 10 cents, bro.
10 cents.
That's our ball. Okay. We're going for
the
blue.
Look, you get trapped in this.
No!
Holy guacamole.
Oh no! Fuck.
Holy guacamole.
This is an actual holy guacamole, bro.
Holy guacamole.
No unusual unboxing.
Like,
I already have this as an
it's like lagging out. It's not letting me collect any more coins.
Okay, Jake, this is like the big boy one, bro. This is unusual Fagaton.
The big boy. The big boy.
Okay, bro. Oh! I think this is good, bro. Curse confinement. Oh my boy.
Holy guacamole.
Oh my god. Hold up.
Let me say it like 2 feet. No wonder we're YouTubers.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where's the portal?
Hold up. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, here we go. We're back at it.
Do we like better than Christian now?
Oh. The damn Pope died.
Oh my god. Oh.
Bro, let's play the house, dude.
Is there a hot mic on?
This dude. I don't know his target, so I can't mute him, bro. This is actually purgatory. Please.
Just mute everyone. The derogatory, because
nah, they're gonna say some evil things, bro.
They're gonna what?
Oh my. I'm going crazy. I'm not trying to get my video like taken down for someone saying like some unruly things.
Like what? Something I would say?
Alright, well, let's see this new unusual, bro.
Oh my goodness. Are you recording?
Yes.
I'm just making sure.
Let me just. It's kind of cool. It's like he's in jail.
What?
He's in jail and he's drinking coffee, Jake.
Yeah, rare. Okay, you blew yourself.
Now let's go over the recap, bro.
The recap. Did they see what you got?
Unusual curse confinement, bro. We got this. We got oh my god. I think I already have this, bro.
You gotta look at the keyboard.
I already have it, man. I already have this, but painted, which makes it better. Oh my god.
Ain't no way.
Oh my god.
So you did get booty.
Oh, and I literally already have this, bro, too. I got it as unusual. Let's see what this looks like real quick. Hold up.
I know.
Oh, this looks baller, don't you see? Like, oh my god. That's pumpkin. Okay, well, that's it.
Alright, what a good
Oh
video.
my goodness gracious.
Okay,
bye bananas.
I'm gonna plug my own
Say bye bananas. Say bye bananas.
Bye banana.